Hi, I'm Belinda and today I'm going to show you how to create a luxuriously thick and conditioning cocoa body butter. First, log into the Create Cosmetic Formulas app and select the body butter recipe. Now in this body butter, I'm going to add some coconut water because I think it will be a great addition to the product story. So I'm going to select that as a water alternative and I'm going to add that at 10%. Next, I'm going to pick my humectant. I'm going to use glycerin because it's really hydrating for the skin, and because I want this to be a really moisturising body butter, I'm going to add it at a bit more than the minimum recommended input, around 7.5%. I'm going to help stabilise my formula using some xanthan gum. It's a really reliable stabilising ingredient. Next, I'm going to pick my anionic emulsifier. And for this product, I'm going to select the sodium stearyl glutamate because it's great in creams and butters. Because I want to build a lot of viscosity and use a lot of oils in this formula, I'm going to use it at close to its maximum recommended input. Next, I'm going to pick my non-ionic emulsifier, and I want to make a really moisturising product, so I'm going to pick the Olive M1000. This will make it feel really beautiful on the skin as well. And I'm going to use the maximum recommended input because I want to use a lot of oils in my formula. Now, to stop excess white rub-in time, I need to use a little bit of a low HLB emulsifier too. That just helps stop the product from having too much white when I'm rubbing it into my skin. I'm going to select the Sorbitan Olivate because it's olive oil based and it goes really well with the Olive M1000. And to help build viscosity, I'm going to add that at 2.2%, which is just over the minimum recommended input for this material in this formula. Now I'm going to pick my oils. I'm going to obviously pick some cocoa butter because that's the main ingredient that I'm going to be using for my story in this formula. But I'm also going to put in some coconut oil and some caprylic triglycerides. I'm going to use even proportions of each. 5% of the cocoa butter will give the product a bit of a cocoa smell, and the other materials will help give that beautiful moisturising effect that I'm looking for. Next, I'm going to pick my preservative, and for this formula I'm going to use GeoGuard ECT. Because it's a nutrient-rich formula, I'm going to use it at the maximum recommended input. I'm going to add a little bit of vanilla to this formula just to help the product smell truly amazing. The cocoa aroma from the cocoa butter and the vanilla will make it smell really chocolatey vanilla. I'm not going to need much, so I'm only going to put this in at 0.25%. I'm not going to add any actives to this formula because the story is all about the cocoa butter and the coconut oil being really moisturising for the skin. I am going to add some antioxidant to help stabilise my vanilla essential oil and my plant oils that I've selected. And because I've got a lot of oxidizable materials in this formula, I'm going to add it at the maximum recommended input. Now I can generate my method. And here is my formula and method. Now it's time to head into the lab. And that is how easy it is to make a deliciously thick and creamy cocoa butter body butter formula with the Create Cosmetic Formulas app. Please give this video a thumbs up. Please leave any questions or comments below, and make sure you subscribe to createcosmeticformulas.com to make your body butters this much fun and easy. Happy formulating!